The exit rules allow you to define the way you want to exit the market by performing an action on the current order when a condition is met. You can create new rules or edit existing ones under the Rule Manager. To create a new exit rule, you can click the New Rule button or right-click on the Exit Rules folder. You will see that the exit rule design process has similarities with setup rules. However, an exit rule only applies to an existing order. Here, we can see the exit condition. When this condition will be fulfilled, the action below will be triggered. You can add or remove instruction blocks by clicking on the dedicated buttons. Then, you can define your condition by drag and dropping the rules you want. Next, the action blocks, where the actions are defined. For an exit rule, you can use only several actions. These are located in the Order Modification category. In short, you can modify the current order or close it. Just like conditions, you can add new action blocks by clicking on the dedicated buttons. Then, you can set actions by drag and dropping rules. In this example, we define an exit rule closing the order when the price closes below the 20 exponential moving average. In this case, we attach this new exit rule to an entry rule. This entry rule has been previously created in the video dedicated to entry rules. We remove the take profit to let the trade run. Keep in mind that an exit rule can be attached directly to an entry rule or attached manually to an existing order. We will see both cases. Since the exit rule is directly attached to the entry rule, we just have to drag and drop the entry rule on the chart. The order will close once the price closes below the 20 exponential moving average. With the same price sequence, we will use a new exit rule, attached manually on the opened order. This exit rule will trail the stop loss according to the average true range indicator value. First, we designed the following core rule. This core rule returns the value of the close of the last bar, subtract by the ATR 3 times. Afterwards, we create our new exit rule. This time we will modify the value of the stop loss. For that, we drag and drop the Modify Order rule and set the stop loss to the previously seen core rule. Since we want the stop loss trailing the price, we will change it only if its newest value is higher than the previous one. This is our exit condition to modify the stop loss. After the exit rule being saved, we will use an entry rule without attached exit rule. The pending order is created and the next bar triggers the order. We can now manually attach the exit rule to the opened order and see the outcome. We can see the stop loss trailing automatically according to the ATR indicator value, thanks to our exit rule. In this video, we gave you a brief description of how we designed the exit rules and how they can be very helpful to exit properly and automatically the market.